Did you know that more than 50% of UAE residents spent more than they earned last year? And the worst part, only 33% of them feel financially secure for retirement. Expats move to the Middle East for better salaries, tax-free income, and a possibility to build wealth. Yet, so many end up struggling financially, not because they don't earn enough, but because of the way they manage money. Today, we're breaking down 3 big money myths that are keeping expats broke, so you can avoid them and actually build wealth. And if you stay until the end, I will show you how you can start investing step by step, even if you've never done it before. Let's go. Myth number 1 is saving will make me rich. We've all been told that if we just save consistently, one day we'll be financially secure. Sounds great in theory, but here's a problem. Most people aren't actually saving enough to make a difference. In fact, half of UAE residents can't even survive more than 2 weeks without an income. That is not financial freedom, that is financial stress. And if saving alone really worked, wouldn't we see more people feeling financially secure? Yet only 33% of people feel confident about their retirement. The real issue isn't just saving, it's that money sitting in a bank account isn't growing. With inflation, every year your savings are actually losing value. So what is the fix? Saving is just step 1. If you want real financial security, you need to make your money work for you. Investing grows your wealth over time, so you are not just stashing money, you're actually multiplying it. So if saving alone isn't enough, then what is the solution? Investing. But here's where a lot of people get stuck. They think investing is only for the rich. And this brings me to myth number 2. You need to be rich to start investing. So many expats say, I will start investing when I have more money. But that day never comes. Because no matter how much you earn, it's very easy to feel like you don't have enough. In fact, in the UAE, 41% of people don't believe they will ever reach their long-term financial goals. And that is because they keep waiting instead of taking action now. Here's the thing, investing isn't about having a lot of money, it's about making smart choices with what you already have. So what is the fix? Start small. Even $100 can get you started. Investing isn't about how much money you have, it's about consistency. So now we know you don't need to be rich to invest, but maybe you are still thinking, isn't investing risky? That's where myth number 3 comes in. Investing is too risky. A lot of people think that investing is like gambling, that you could lose everything. First of all, that is not true. Let me give you an example. If you want to swim, you need to learn how to swim before jumping to the pool. If you jump to the pool without learning first, you are taking a massive risk. But if you actually learn the proper techniques and the strategy to keep yourself afloat and to, swim, chances are you are going to be successful. And it's the same with the financial markets. Most people lose money just because they have no idea what they're doing. The truth is, investing wisely is one of the safest ways to build wealth. The key is to build an investing plan where you choose investments according to your personal risk tolerance, financial goals, and values. And also, here's a little unpopular opinion about investing, and I believe that not investing is actually riskier. Because if your money stays sleeping at the bank, there is 100% chance that the value of your money is going to reduce year after year. And that will happen whether you like it or not. You have absolutely zero control over inflation. However, when you are investing, you have full control of how to manage your money and how to build a plan that will ensure the growth of your wealth. My personal investments have been growing at an average of 25% every year since the last 5 years, not because I am gambling with my money, but because I have a plan for long-term growth that works. If you have no idea how to get started, don't worry, I got you. I've built an incredible event called Ready, Set, Invest Bootcamp. In the bootcamp, I will show you how to make your first investment with confidence. I will show you the safest way to start investing without gambling and how to build a long-term plan for financial freedom without the jargon, stress, or confusion. If you're ready to take control of your financial future and start building wealth, sign up today. You will find the link to join in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications. I will be sharing more investing tips every week. See you in the next video.